Hi everyone, this is Job Rodriguez. So this is the third video of our TypeScript series. And in this video, we're going to talk about generics. So generics so generics allows us to create a generic type of component. So as you can see here, one of the main tools in Toolbox for creating reusable components is generics. That is being able to create a component that can work over a variety of types rather than a single one. So, for example, we have here function identity, type, argtype, semicolon type. So instead of creating function identity string, arg string, string, return arg identity string, function. Okay, let's remove this function identity number, arg number, return arg, and so on and so forth. We can just create a generic function identity that accommodates various types. Okay? So as you can see here, we have let output string equals identity string my string, let output number equals identity number. Okay, and we can also remove string and allow TypeScript to infer the type for us. But for me personally, I rather be explicit on the types of my functions, specifically my generics. Okay? As you can see here, as I've explained a while ago, we have here type inference. Okay, onward to our next example. We have here function logging identity type. So here is for arrays naman. So arg array type. So as you can see here, even for arrays, generics work. Then array type. Then console.log arg.length. As you can see, length is possible since TypeScript recognizes that arg is an array, specifically array type. So what does that mean? That means that logging identity can be a number that accepts an array of numbers that returns an array of numbers. Or it could be a logging identity that accepts an argument of strings that returns an argument of strings as well. And it doesn't stop there. We can also use it in interfaces. So here we have an interface generic identity function that has a type, that argument type with a return type of the type that we're inputting. So here we have let my identity generic identity function identity. Okay? So that's it for generics. See you in the next one.